Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Most fuel prices will go down tomorrow, with some categories hitting their lowest since early last year. A litre of 87 gasoline will sell for 25 cents less. 82 cents will be cut from the cost of 90 gasoline. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $4.50 less. Kerosene will also decline by $4.50. Propane will, however, increase by $1.44, while butane will gain $1.39. More households are reporting they've received remittances in the first quarter of this year. Pollster and head of Market Research Limited, Don Anderson, says the Consumer Confidence Survey suggests an increase in the number of dwellings getting cash from overseas.
So between 2020 and 2022, there was a reduction of 9% amongst the households who were receiving remittances overseas. Now, the first quarter of 2023, there has been a revival, so to speak. The number of households receiving remittances moved from 26% in 2022 to 31% in 2023, first quarter.
It could be the reason consumers say they are likely to spend on vacation and other purchases this year. 34% of the 600 consumers add they've been receiving more remittances compared to 3 years ago. 27% say they were getting less money. 32% say the money they've received from overseas has not changed, while 7% have not been receiving remittances for a 3-year period. The US dollar is being sold for an average $153.82. $114.81 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $189.50 for the pound, while it's costing an average $170.93 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 3,352 points today, while the junior market gained 18 points. Among the winners, General Accident Insurance Company, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Consolidated Bakeries, Cygnus Real Estate Financial US dollar shares, and G West Corporation. On the losing side were JMMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference, Trans Jamaican Highway 8%, Lasco Distributors, Radio Jamaica, and JMMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.